Cricket, a sport cherished by millions around the world, has a rich and captivating history that spans centuries. Join us as we dive into the fascinating origins and evolution of this beloved game. Transition to historical imagery. The origins of cricket can be traced back to 16th century England, where it emerged as a rural pastime played by shepherds and farmers. Although the exact details are shrouded in the mists of time, early references to the sport can be found as far back as the 13th century. Animated illustrations of early cricket matches. Initially, cricket was a rustic game played on village greens, with teams of varying sizes and rules that varied from one region to another. However, it gradually gained popularity and became more standardized in the 18th century. Transition to the formation of the Marylebone Cricket Club, MCC. In 1787, the Marylebone Cricket Club, commonly known as the MCC, was formed in London. The MCC played a pivotal role in codifying the laws of cricket, providing a common set of rules that helped unify the game. Images of early cricket equipment and uniforms. As the Industrial Revolution took hold in the 19th century, cricket expanded its reach beyond the rural countryside. The game became increasingly popular among the emerging middle and upper classes, with cricket clubs sprouting up across England. Visual transition to colonial-era footage. During the British Empire's expansion, cricket spread to various colonies, including India, Australia, South Africa, and the West Indies. The sport became a symbol of British influence and served as a cultural bridge between the colonizers and the locals. Photos of cricket legends. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, cricket witnessed the rise of legendary players who left an indelible mark on the game. Names like Sir Donald Bradman, Sir Garfield Sobers, and Sir Vivian Richards became synonymous with cricketing excellence and inspired generations of aspiring players. Transition to modern-day cricket footage. Fast forward to the present day, cricket has evolved into a global phenomenon, captivating fans across continents. The introduction of limited overs formats like one-day internationals, ODIs, and 2020 T20 revolutionized the sport, injecting more excitement and attracting a wider audience. Images of iconic cricket stadiums and crowds. Narrator, voiceover. Today, cricket boasts prestigious international tournaments such as the Cricket World Cup and the ICC World 2020, where teams from different nations compete for glory and national pride. Closing shot. Cricketers shaking hands. From its humble beginnings as a rural pastime to becoming a sport that unites nations, cricket's history is a testament to its enduring appeal. As the game continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly create new chapters, captivating the hearts of cricket enthusiasts for generations to come.